Today's tip, waste not, want not. At the end of your painting session, you're going to end up with bits of paint all over your palette. And you could throw them away. But what I like to do is I like to keep a couple of boards on hand that just have a primer on them that I've then smoothed down with steel wool. And I just take all this extra paint and mix it together. And I'm not real worried about what color comes out. And I take that paint and I just go ahead and prepare this board for some more paint practice later. So every once in a while, I will have, for example, just a really light or really dark pile of paint there. And I want a fairly neutral color. So I might actually add just a tiny bit more of something, black, white, raw umber, to sort of neutralize this color. But it doesn't really matter that much. And I would rather use just a little bit more color and then use the whole pile of paint than throw that pile of paint away entirely.